Welcome everyone. Today for third prep, first term, lesson 1 in algebra. Okay, if you want to connect with me, my telephone number 01 555 162 411. Okay, so be careful about that. Third prep, okay, from the first term, from the first lesson, be careful about that. We will starting in each video, okay, explaining, and must be you do your homework. Okay, let's be starting. Okay, we're starting revision on sets. هنبدأ الريفيجن بتاعنا عن السets. Do you remember sets? Let's take revision about sets. Forget that. Remember that again. What's this? Yes, wonderful. It is intersection. If I found intersection between two sets, that's meaning take the common elements between the two sets. مستر يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني انا عندي two sets موجودين في وسطهم لقيت الساين بتاعتي اللي هي intersection. I take the common، اخد الحاجة اللي موجودة في الاتنين. تعال ناخد example عشان نتأكد. في الست الأولانية في 5 6 7 intersect مع ست تانية فيها 5 3 and 2. Which number I found it in two sets؟ ايه النمبرز اللي موجودة عندي هنا في التو sets؟ Yes. Yes, that's correct. 5 and 5. So I will put 5. 5 here is the common element between the two sets. What about the other thing? I found here 1 4 7 intersect to set has 1 3 and 4. Which is the common element here? Which number I found it in two sets? Yes, that's correct. 1 and 4. The other set here 1 2 and 3, 6 7 and 8. Mister, I found here 1. Another set I didn't found 1. 2. Another set I didn't found 2. 3 I didn't found 3. So the two sets has no element, has no common elements. So mister, I will put braces only. I don't write anything in it. It's empty set. So mister, do you remember the empty set here? We call it as what? We give it this sign. Do you remember this sign here? What's this? Her name, do you remember? Yes. We call it as phi. We call it as what? Phi. That's here is phi here. What meaning of phi? Phi it's meaning empty set or null set. That's meaning set I didn't found anything in it. Okay. So we call it as phi. Again, phi. Don't forget that. What about else? Phi is subset from any set. So any set, phi is meaning two braces. Any set has two braces. So phi subset from any set. Phi subset from any set. Don't forget that. What about z positive intersect with z negative? Z positive, it's a positive number, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative numbers, that's meaning negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So we found anything common between them? Yes. No. We didn't find anything common between z positive and z negative. So it will be phi. I didn't found anything common. I don't found any number common between them. What else, mister? Do you remember that? Yes. What is? It is union. Do you remember? If you found union between two sets, take all elements of two sets in one set. And don't forget that. In set, I can't repeat element. يعني أنا هاخد الelements كلها اللي في two set أحطهم في set واحدة. ولو فيهم حاجة متكررة أنا باخدها just one time ما بكررش. Let's take example. I found here 5 6 and 7 union 5 3 and 2. So I will take all elements in two sets in one set. Like that. I will take 5 6 7. I didn't repeat 5 again. So I will take 3 and 2. So the set will be 5 6 and 7 3 and 2. Yes, wonderful. Set of counting numbers union 0. I will take all of them in one set. So counting numbers meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So I will modify 0 for it. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. That's meaning of natural number. Okay, wonderful. You can write it in two ways. You can write 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and you can write natural number. Don't forget that. It's becoming your choose. Okay. What about else? Do you remember that? Do you remember that? What's this? Yes, it's difference. Mister, in difference, he says that take the remainder in the first set without the common elements. Mister, what meaning of that? I can't understand. So let's take example to understand it. If I have two sets like that, I have 5, 6, 7, and 5, 3, and 2. So mister, he says that this takes the remainder in the first set without the common. يعني احنا هنشيل الكومن بتاعنا الأول. تعالى ايه الكومن اللي موجود في الاتنين؟ Which is a common number? Yes, I found 5 here and 5 here. So I will cancel them. I will cancel 5 and 5. So I take the remainder. But wait. Remainder in what? Let's read that again. Take the remainder in the first set. I will take the remainder in the first set only. So I will take what? I will take 6 and 7 between set. Yes, 6 and 7 between braces of set. That's wonderful. What about the next here? Found 5, 6, and 7. Difference 5, 3, and 7. So, mister, that's a common here. 5 and 5, and 7. I will cancel 5. What about 7 and 7 here? I will cancel them again. So, I will take the remainder in the first set. Don't forget that. I take the remainder in the first set. So, I will take 6 only here between braces of set. Yes, wonderful. What about that? Natural number, difference 0. So, natural number, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, I will cancel 0. Yes, wonderful. So, the remainder will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This meaning set of counting numbers or the boss. Today we're starting with Cartesian product, but remember that the last revision is very important. الريفيجن اللي فات ده مهم جدا 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 جدا. From this video to this video and other videos. Okay, it's very important. Union, intersection, difference. We will use all of them. Okay, so be careful about that. So today we will speak about Cartesian product. So, Mister, what meaning of Cartesian product? Cartesian, okay, it's Cartesian plan. I know this word with plan. So Cartesian plan, yes. Cartesian plan, like that here, x and y, okay, and you found points on it. So what meaning of product? Product, it's meeting of 2 points, point on x and point on y. So if I have this point A here, so point here, point A, it's point connected from what and what? Let's do that here. We found here row, okay, the row here from 3 on x, okay, and from y, yes, it's 2 from y. point A هنا اهو هي عبارة عن الكونكت بتاع 3 بتاعت الاكس وال2 بتاعت الواي. It's connect point from 2 and y, sorry, from 2 and 3, from x and y. So if I have this point, how can I write it? يعني ازاي اكتب البوينت A دي هي عبارة عن ايه؟ Okay, it's point, it represents 3 from x and 2 from y. Oh wow, how can I write it? Do you remember? Do you remember? How can you write it? Yes, I write it like that. It's ordered pair. I open ordered pair and I will write 3 and 2. So Mister, 3 for x and 2 for y. Okay, 3 for x and 2 for y. So point A here is represented by 3 and 2, 3 for x and 2 for y, from y. So 3 and 2, it's ordered pair. I write them in ordered pair. So the ordered pair, it's meaning what? Let's see that. I have here 3 and 2. The first place for x, 3 here for x, okay, and we call it as first projection. What about 2? 2 here for y, okay, so we call it as second projection. Be careful about that. The first place for x, the second place for y, okay, it's very important. Okay, the first place for x and second place for y. So Mister, note that if I say 2 ordered pair for 2 and 3 and other ordered pair 3 and 2, the 2 ordered pair are equal. We found the first one 2 and 3 and the second 3 and 2. So the 2 ordered pairs are equal or not? يعني الاثنين ordered pair دول زي بعض ولا لا؟ طب نقولها كده منتري الاول قبل ما نفهم ليه. تعال نشوف. First place for x, عندي الاكس in the first ordered pair is 2 and x in other ordered pair is 3. So the x is different. What about y? Y in the first ordered pair 3 and y in the second ordered pair is 2. Oh wow, I can't, in ordered pair I can't change places. Okay, so 2 and 3 not equal 3 and 2. Okay, so to understand that I will put them on coordinates plan. So the first one here, I found that here 2 and 3, its place 2 from x and 3 from y, the position of point is here. What about 3 and 2? So now x is 3, so I go to 3 and 2, so the point of ordered pair is here. Okay, so the two ordered pairs having different positions. Okay, so 2 and 3 not equal 3 and 2. Don't forget that, this is very important. Okay, so Mister, so equality of 2 ordered pairs. When the 2 ordered pairs are equal, okay, 2 ordered pairs are equal if x equal x and y equal y. Okay, x equal x in the first ordered pair and second ordered pair, and y equal y in the first and second. So if I have here, if a and b equal x and y, ordered pair of ab equal ordered pair of x and y. So Mister, A equal, yes, A equal X and B equal Y. What about that? Let's take example. If A and B equal 3 and negative 4. So A equal what? Yes, that's correct. A equal 3. What about B? Yes, it's negative 4. So A equals 3 and B equal negative 4. That's correct. What about that? If X and 2 equal negative 5 and Y. So I will look at X. X in first place. The two ordered pair, he's saying no, is that equal. So X is equal what? In the first place, another ordered pair, yes, X equal negative 5. What about Y? So Y equal, yes, yours very good. Y is equal to. Mister, what about that? If you ask me about find the values of A and B, and you choose the following if. Number 1 here, if I have here A minus 2, B plus 1, it's equal to and negative 3. So don't forget that the first place, okay, A minus 2. In other ordered pair, it's equal what? Equal 2. So I will take the first one with the first one from the first ordered pair and the other ordered pair. Okay, so I will write that first. A minus 2 equal 2. Oh, wow, now it's become equation. Wow, wonderful. So I have here negative 2. If you go to, if I want to work on equation, must be I do that. So in equation, if you have negative, go to other side to be positive. If you have positive, let's go to other side to be negative. If you have root, let's go to other side to be power, and power is p root. Each operation go to other side with inverse operation. يعني كل operation بتروح بالعكس بتاعتها. Okay, so I have here negative 2. So go to other side with negative or positive. Yes, it's negative here, it's minus here to go to plus. That's wonderful. So A equal 2 plus 2. So A equal 4. Now I come with value of A. What about B? I found an ordered pair B plus 1. It's equal another ordered pair equal negative 3. That's second projection and second projection here. So B plus 1 equal negative 3. Now I have 1. Must be the letter will become alone. Okay, انا بعمل كل حاجه عشان اخليه alone واقف لوحده. تمام. So 1 here is plus. It's go to other side with what? Yes, with minus. Wonderful. So it's become B is equal negative 3 minus 1. So B is equal negative 4. Wonderful. What about the next? I have here A power 2 and 1. Another ordered pair 36 and B power 5. I have here in the first projection here A power 2, and in the other ordered pair first projection is 36. So mister, what I will do, the first one A power 2 equal 36. So if I have power here, it goes I want to go with it to other side. What I will do? Power, the inverse operation for power, it's become, yes, it's become root. I have here power 2, it's become square root. Yes, it's square power 2, it's become square root. So I will do that. A is equal square root for 36. Don't forget that. That's very, very important from the last years. If you have a square root, the result will be what? Yes, the result will be positive or negative. Okay, so the result will be positive or negative 6. What about the other? I have B power 5 and 1. So B power 5 equal 1. So power is going to other side to be root. So B is equal 5th root to 1. Okay, it's become, yes, if your power is even number, it's become positive or negative. If the power is odd number, it's become the same number. Okay, the result will be I write it only. Okay, so I have here square root for 1, 5th square root for 1, it's become 1. Now B equal 1. Thank you today, that's very enough for you. Okay, now if you have a master book, you can go to exercise and solve the exercise 1. Okay, that's your homework. Okay, if you don't have it, please send me a note. Okay, or send a message for me. Okay, you can connect with me with WhatsApp on WhatsApp and tell me, Mr. Send me the homework. Okay, thank you for everyone. I enjoyed with you. Okay, wait the other video. Okay, bye bye.